Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn off parental controls on Fortnite. So let's get straight into it, and the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and from here you just want to head over to epicgames.com. Now Epic Games are the creators of Fortnite, and that's why we need to head over to this website. And in the top right hand side, just click on the sign in button, and then you'll need to go ahead and sign in with your account. You can just enter your email address and password. If you do have a linked social media account, you can also sign in here. So once you are signed into your account, just click on your profile name in the top right hand side, scroll down to account and select this. Then from the left hand side, select parental controls, and here is where you'll need to enter the PIN code on your account. Now if you had a parent or guardian set up the account for you, then you'll need to go and get this PIN code from them first. If you forgot your PIN code, you can always press this forgot your PIN button here. So once you've entered your PIN, just press confirm, and here are all of our parental control settings. So if you scroll down to Epic Games payment, this is the first thing you want to make sure is disabled. Then if you scroll down to the Epic Games store and fab, you want to make sure this slider is all the way over to unrated at the top. Then if you scroll up slightly and click on social permissions, make sure require PIN to add Epic friends is turned off. Make sure Epic voice chat permission is set to everybody. Make sure Epic text chat permission is set to everybody. Then scroll back up to the top and click on time limits. And from this tab here, you just want to make sure there's no time limit set up on your account. Then scroll up to the top navigation one last time and click on Fortnite settings. And then for Fortnite content rating, make sure this is set to PEGI 12 right at the top here. Make sure you've turned on allow creative mode and Unreal Editor for Fortnite. Then if you scroll down, you want to turn off mature language as well. And once you've changed all of these settings, we've now disabled any parental controls on our Fortnite account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.